Hi, it's Joan. This week, I'd like to look at opener's second bid. And this time, two suited hands is the focus. A two suited hand generally has five of their first suit and four or more of their second suit. So you open your longer suit, and usually the higher ranked suit, and then over what partner bids, you show your second suit. People think that this is a minimum hand: one heart, pass, one spade, pass, two clubs, or two diamonds. It actually could be a minimum or a medium hand, so we would bid that way up to about 17 points. What would you do if you had a two suited hand and you were stronger than that? Now you make a jump shift, and that would be maximum in terms of points, and still the shape could be 5-4, but it would be a force to game. This is the sort of hand I've got for you today to practice. So have a go, see how you bid and play the hand. I'm in the middle of Zoom lessons, and you're very welcome to go to Joan Bridge shop and book in. You don't have to come to all the lessons because we send you the video reviews. And if you're not a gold member of my website, you should join up. It's only $15 a month for an enormous amount of activity. Lots and lots of lessons, but if you don't feel like lessons all the time, you can play random hands and compare your score with everybody else who's played the hand. It's really fun. So, have a good week.
This hand contains 18 high card points and two very good suits with honours in both of the suits. This is an ideal situation: 5 hearts and 4 diamonds, and we're still a one level opening though, because we've got 1 spade loser, 3 club losers, and 1 diamond loser. So it's a maximum one opening, and we'd start with 1 heart. Now we jump shift, and that will show a very good unbalanced hand with at least 5 hearts and at least 4 diamonds when we bid 3 diamonds. Any bid of 2 diamonds now would be up to 18 points, not actually forcing. But if we want to force to game, we need to make a jump shift, and this is such a hand: 3 diamonds. It shows at least 5 hearts and at least 4 diamonds. Partners heard the bidding and they've suggested 3 no trumps. They must be promising a stopper in clubs, because we've bid the other 3 suits. We can expect a club to be led, so we'll pass. Sure enough, the 7 of clubs is led. And what's our plan? We've got 2 diamond winners for sure. We'll make 1 or 2 club tricks. We don't know where the ace and the queen are, but they've led a club and we'll make at least 1 trick. We'll make 1 spade trick the ace and 3 or more heart tricks. We will try for how many hearts we can take, hoping the suit breaks 3-3. So our plan would be play low, and they've taken the ace, back comes a club. Don't win the king, wait, let it go round. The queen's won a trick. Now we've got 2 club tricks, so we'll take that jack and start on the hearts. And they're breaking 3-3, which means our 9 and 8 are also winners. So things are going well on this hand. We need to realise that the only entry to the north hand to enjoy our king of clubs is a spade. So we'll play a spade back to the north hand, take the king of clubs, and now play diamonds. Just play the ace. Down comes the queen, surprisingly, and we've got the last 2 tricks. So we made 11 tricks on this hand. The key to it was North didn't have a particularly good hand, but the jump shift showing a maximum one level opening, unbalanced with at least five of the first suit and four or more of the second suit, was a game force.